अस्सलाम वालेकुम। स्टडी साइड की एक और MCQ सीरीज़ के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट बिलोंग टू द कैटेगरी ऑफ द coping strategies that the women commonly engage in the revolution? Those whose education philosophy is rooted in the pragmatism claim the knowledge in the initiate intentive truth is relative. Which of the following belong to the project as the right answer is epidescope. Which one of the following is an example of the fine motor skill? The right answer is writing. What are the strategies involved in the comprehension guidance performing? Choose the correct sequence of the stage. The right answer is accepting, individual appreciation, problem concentration, or the problem taking action referral. What is the narrow concept of the heredity? Right answer is offspring of a man will be child, not a dog. Teaching learning process is fundamentally complete in the classroom. Which is the most effective reinforcement schedule according to the operant conditioning theory of the learning for the suitable learning? Right answer is variable ratio reinforcement. A school is the mini culture, the miniature. A school is a many culture society. Erikson proposed that the trust and the mistrust develop during the oral sensory stage. The term identical element is the closely associated with the transfer of the learning. The child from a recognized home will be experience the greatest difficulty with the independent study. Pituitary gland known as the master gland. Who is the father of the theory of multiple intelligence? The right answer is the Gardner. The two basic division in the school of the Indian philosophy is the Oxford and the heterodox, orthodox and heterodox. The belief that the aggression is learned is held by the social learning theorist. The Dalton scheme of education is useful for which of the following? The right answer is for the older children. Determinant of the individual difference in the human being related to. The right answer is interaction between the heredity and environment. Tests that do not require the use of the language of the subject but response are in the form of the activities are called performance test. Which of the following factor does not impact the teaching? The right answer is socio-economic background of the teacher and the student. Which of the following is not the tool of the formative assessment in the scholastic domain? Right answer is project. Education in the manifestation of the perfection already in man was stated by the Swami Vivekanand. Cognitive development was the development of the intelligence. Class stands for the computer literacy and the student in the school. Parents should play a sympathetic role in the learning process of the young children. While delivering the lecture, if there is some disturbance in the class, teacher should motivate to teach these causing disturbance. The individual develops through the head and heart and hand. This is the educational philosophy of the padagogy. If you get opportunity to teach visually, challenge student along with the normal student. What type of the treatment would you like to give him in the class? Arrange a seat in the front row and try to teach it a piece convenient to him. A teacher should be dutiful. Which one is the highest order of the learning? The right answer is conditional reflex learning. A teacher can motivate the student by giving a suitable prize. By which of the following method the true evaluation of the student is possible? Continuous evaluation. When the student becomes paired, it can understand that the individual student's speller. Which of the following is the most important quality of the good teacher? The right answer is content mastery and reactive. Socialization is the process by which the children and the adult learn from all of the following. The essence of the effective classroom environment is lively student teacher and the interaction. Archimedes found the solution of his problem when he was in his bird tube. This will become under which step of the process of creativity? The right answer is illumination. IQ is equal to MA divided by CA multiplied by 100. The most important challenge for the teacher is to make teaching process enjoyable. As a per day conducted by the gluten, what ratio is heredity in a organism is due to the father and the mother? Right answer is 0.5. Behavior pattern that increase the frequency when followed by the reward is known as the coordinating or sorry, it's not operational coordinating or operant coordinating operant conditioning. Guidance is the process in which an individual is helped. All of the above. Socialization is an interactional process. According to the psychoanalytic analysis theory of repressions of the desire, the best way to aid the body of his misbehavior is to educate him constantly. Philosophy means attempt to find answer to the fundamental and ultimate questions. During the pre-moral stage described by the Kohlberg's moral development theory, children thinks that the bad behavior is punished and the good behavior is not punished. A baby sucking her thumb is an example of digression. Maximum participation of the student during the teaching is possible through the inductive method. Who defines sociology of the education as the study of the relationship between the education and the society? Ottaway. Which is the advantages of the groupthink? All of the above. Who coined the terms cultural capital? The right answer is Bourdieu and Pesron. Which one of the following is the best method of the teaching? The right answer is demonstration. Curriculum means all the experience which students get in the school. The best method of the teaching is to initiate a discussion and participate in it. The normal 12-year-old child is the most likely to be eager for the peer approval. The Verstian school of the understanding was popularized by